Good day, ma'am. I am Ira Vertidazo.
And I am Kimberly Pamilya, a student from Momal Island State University main campus, taking a Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management.
Thank you, ma'am, for joining us. Can you tell me about yourself?
So, good day, Miss Ira and Miss Kimberly. My name is May Carvalho, the manager here in the Rose Resto Cafe. And I believe in the saying that there's no better time than now.
Can you describe, ma'am, a typical day in managing this establishment?
Typical day, so there are days that we are busy, there are also days that just slack days and busy days. So, here in the usual days, we serve customers, we provide food services, and yeah, it's a typical day for us.
Next question. What are the key responsibilities of a food and beverage manager?
So as a food and beverage manager, it is our responsibility to ensure good customer service and also to ensure that foods and drinks or any goods that came from our kitchen are served with good quality and that meets standards. Ensure that they are served on time.
So, how do you manage inventory, ma'am, and supply chain challenges?
So inventory and supply chain challenges. Okay. So inventory and supply chain is a very important key in the business. So without inventory, you will not know if your business or your restaurant really gained profit or it's profitable. And it is a very challenging task for us here. But with the help of the POS system, we have POS system that manage our inventory, but we also have to check them and monitor them from time to time. So we have UTAC, if you're familiar with that.
Can you please share an example of a challenging customer situation and how you resolved it?
Customers complain like that. We had customer who complained about the food is not ganang hot water and stuff because or her carbonara was not saucy. It's because the quality of our sauce is thick and it was served, it was eaten a longer time than it's prepared. So, ang sauce is more than siya na mintik na siya kayo and no ng pasta, which is dili na siya lamig. So, complete siya na yung carbonara is kanang uga, right? So, as the manager, I addressed that and I also told the kitchen to i-adjust. Like for example, if take out siya, i-adjust ang sauce. So more sauce para i-eat na sa customer, di mo siya na naka-dry. So there are mga other pang mga complaints, but very important is you have to humble down yourself just a customer. I also believe sa saying a customer is always right. Kaya as a business, we really want to cater all our customers, and if they have complaints, attention mo naman tumawag.
So, how do you handle customer complaints, ma'am, and ensure their satisfaction?
So, it is really important to handle them well. The customer complaints well, it is really important to address them well because if dili mo na sila i-address well or dili mo na i-handle, dili na sila upalik. So, dili ta kakuan na di na upalik at to kay kanauta po to ilang manager dito kay ibang. So, to ensure satisfaction ko, we have to deliver what is an end for us. Like, for example, with customer service, o yun na need na naman para satisfy ang mga customers.
What are the key food safety protocols followed in your establishment?
So we have here our food safety protocols. First is our cleanliness. So it is very important to wash hands regularly, to sanitize tables and chairs, ang mga prep tables. So muna ang gina-practice. Another is cooking. Among make sure na kinaluto ng mo ang food properly, and also separation of raw foods and cooked foods. So important yun na siya sa food safety protocols. Also the temperature, we make sure that the food, temperature sa mga food is na-meet pa ang standards. And water, we make sure also na ang water is safe for drinking, safe for washing, and fruits and vegetables. Then personal hygiene, mo siya na karamihan dapat before ka touch the food, before ka touch with anything else, you have to wash your hands. And food safety plans, nag-develop and implement o mga and i-identify ng mga risks for hazards, mga kuan. And also, lastly is, pest control. Pest nami mga mag-visit na mga pest control. So, yun na ligayan sa restaurant na andyan yung mga pest. And, na training is, wala siya, food safety protocols na yung
So, how do you determine the pricing of your menu ma'am items?
Pricing, determines the price is very important as well because makamagin ng profit. So, na siya gina-determine through the cost of the goods, and then cost sa labor, cost sa mga gas, mga raw materials na ginagamit. Ingana pag pricing.
Can you tell me your ways and how you motivate your staff to improve their standards?
We have regular meetings from our staffs, and then we motivate them to really perform standards. Okay, it is very important man. Like, for example, sa kitchen, we motivate them by giving the challenges. Like, mga tasks. Like, for example, that para ma-motivate sila is, naman sa talaan ng task na kung ikaw bahala ni, you have to provide one dish na, for example, for dining, we daghan sila customer magpa-food. Then, sa sales also, siya pa-motivate sa mga kuan. And, katong mga programs and incentives.
So, can you tell us, ma'am, what are some common challenges in managing diversity?
So, managing a team is a really hard task. They have different characteristics, attitudes, and behaviors. And it is really a challenge as a manager. Examples, attendance, you have to consider, late. So, some common challenges, ako ang challenge ng girl is handle sila ng attendance and tardiness. So, yun na yung problema. So, kaya na yung mga staff na dyan lang, late lang, or here kayo. And dili lang mo na siya ingon pasagdan na nato. So, we give what is due for them. Like, to siya lang sa report, ato sila ng written reprimand, and even mga nasa mong code of conduct is suspension.
Last, how do you ensure teamwork and collaboration in the workplace?
I always remind my team that teamwork and collaboration is very important here. Kaya, you cannot function alone. I mean, if gusto ka na moabot ng paspas, then go alone. But if gusto ka moabot na taas pa imong abitan, then go together. So, muna siya ka ng, I always remind them that it is important na teamwork. Kaya each one of them is very important and each one of them is na ang role. So, hindi mo kuan na, ay, nani ramang puso. Hindi ramang so, dapat na teamwork yung magpinapangasin.
Thank you so much. Can you share some advices or learnings that you learned as a manager in this first coffee?
But being a manager is not it just a social task or like, di lang siya sa yun. So, for me, for myself, it is important to have a work and life balance. So, kinahanglan balance in your life, balance in your work. So, di ka dapat mo stress lang ka sa work. So, ako is live your life like, yes, trabaho ka, do your job well. Kinahanglan ka mo buwan sa career, but di lang na ito kalipan na ito ang life. So, we have life outside. So, ako is, I'm a mother, and tig-gym ko, and tig-run ko, ang nasa mga hobby, and hindi na ito kalimutan. Hindi ko stress.
Thank you so much.